Today's busy pool contractor demands products that enhance productivity. The fastest growing solvent cement in the pool industry is Christy's Red Hot Pool Pro. It's made especially for pool and spa applications and offers two unique advantages to the professional. First, it's designed for fast installation. The unique formulation doesn't require a primer, just apply and go. The thick formula minimizes drips and runs, protecting your work area. And it cures fast, so you can turn the pump back on quickly. No waiting around or coming back later. Second, a special benefit of Christy's Red Hot Pool Pro is the color changes over time when exposed to sunlight. It goes on blue for visibility, then fades to clear for a clean, professional appearance. Your work never looked better. When you want fast, innovative solvent solutions for all your pool and spa projects, count on Christy's for smart solutions to your job site challenges.